How to automatically repair Outlook 365 in Windows 10. Here's a sample bat file that can help repair Outlook 365 in Windows 10 at echo off echo repairing Outlook 365. Echo please wait. Rem close Outlook if it's currently running taskkill /f/im outlook.exe. Rem repair Outlook 365 C:\program whitespace files /common whitespace files /Microsoft whitespace shared /ClickToRun /OfficeC2RClient.exe /repair user echo Outlook 365 repair completed. Pause. You can copy and paste this code into a new text file using any text editor, such as Notepad, and then save the file with a .bat file extension, for example, repair_outlook.bat. To run the bat file, simply double-click on it. The bat file will close any open instances of Outlook, then initiate the repair process for Outlook 365 using the OfficeC2RClient.exe file. Once the repair is completed, a message will be displayed, and the bat file will wait for you to press any key to close the command prompt window. Option 2, using Control Panel. To manually repair Outlook 365 in Windows 10, follow these steps. 1. Close Outlook and any other Office applications that are open. 2. Open the Windows Control Panel and select Programs and Features. 3. Find Microsoft Office 365 in the list of installed programs and select it. 4. Click on Change at the top of the list. 5. In the pop-up window that appears, select Quick Repair and click Repair. 6. Wait for the repair process to complete, which may take several minutes. 7. Once the repair is finished, restart your computer and open Outlook again. If the quick repair does not fix the issue, you can try selecting Online Repair in the same window in Step 5, which will take longer but may fix more complex issues.